Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Google Lens to search anything you see in a YouTube short. This is super handy if you see a product, outfit, or location and want to learn more about it instantly. First, open the YouTube app and find the short you're interested in. Pause the video at the frame you want to search and take a screenshot. Next, open the Google Lens app on your phone. If you don't have it, you can also access Lens through the Google Photos app or the Google Search app. Once Lens is open, tap the photo icon and select the screenshot you just took. Google Lens will analyze the image and highlight objects, text, or products in it. You can then tap any highlighted item to get more information, find shopping links, search for similar images, or even translate text. And that's it. With just a screenshot and Google Lens, you can instantly learn more about anything you see in a YouTube short. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.